What if Earth isn't unique? What if somewhere in the vastness of space, there are other worlds similar to ours, with oceans, continents, and maybe even life? Today, we'll explore the top 5 exoplanets that astronomers believe could be our best chance of finding a second Earth. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. The first confirmed discovery was made in 1992, and since then, astronomers have identified over 5,000 of them. Most are gas giants, scorched worlds too close to their stars, or frozen planets drifting in darkness. But some of them, a rare few, lie in the so-called habitable zone, the region around a star where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. And water, as far as we know, is the key ingredient for life. Discovered in 2015, Kepler 452b orbits a star very similar to our Sun. It's about 1,400 light-years away and roughly 60% larger than Earth. Astronomers nicknamed it Earth's cousin because it lies in the habitable zone and receives almost the same amount of sunlight as we do. However, being larger means it may have stronger gravity, about twice that of Earth's. Imagine walking there. Every step would feel twice as heavy. Scientists don't yet know if Kepler 452b has an atmosphere, oceans, or continents, but if it does, this world could be strikingly Earth-like, perhaps with blue skies and liquid water. Some researchers even call it a super-Earth. Proxima b is the closest potentially habitable exoplanet, only 4.2 light-years away, practically in our cosmic backyard. It orbits Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star, and is slightly larger than Earth. Because it's so close to its star, a year there lasts only 11 Earth days. The planet is rocky and sits right in the habitable zone, but there's a challenge. Its star often erupts with powerful solar flares that could strip away the atmosphere and bathe the planet in radiation. If Proxima b has a strong magnetic field, or if it developed a thick atmosphere to protect it, then life could still survive. Some even speculate that if we ever reach another star system, Proxima b might be the first destination. In 2017, scientists discovered something incredible: a solar system with 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting the ultra-cool dwarf star TRAPPIST-1, located about 40 light-years away. 3 of these planets are in the habitable zone, and TRAPPIST-1e is considered the most Earth-like of them all. It's only slightly smaller than Earth, and models suggest it could have an atmosphere, liquid water, and even conditions suitable for life. What makes this system so fascinating is that all 7 planets are packed close together. So close that if you stood on the surface of TRAPPIST-1e, you might see neighboring planets hanging in the sky, larger than our own moon. A system like this raises an exciting question. Could life exist on multiple worlds in the same star system? Discovered in 2014, Kepler 186f made history as the first Earth-sized planet found in the habitable zone of its star. It's about 500 light-years away and very close in size to Earth. Its star, however, is much dimmer than the Sun, which means the planet gets less warmth and light. Days it might look like permanent sunsets with red-orange skies. Yet even with less light, models suggest it could still maintain liquid water on its surface. Kepler 186f opened the door to a new era in astronomy. It proved that small, rocky planets in habitable zones really do exist. Located just 40 light-years away, LHS 1140b is larger than Earth but rocky, making it a so-called super-Earth. It lies in the habitable zone of a red dwarf star. What makes it especially important is that the planet passes in front of its star from our point of view, allowing telescopes to study its atmosphere directly. The James Webb Space Telescope is already observing this planet, searching for signs of oxygen, water vapor, or other gases that could hint at biological activity. If any planet is likely to reveal evidence of life soon, LHS 1140b is one of the best candidates. These 5 planets are just a glimpse into the vast possibilities. Every year, astronomers are finding more exoplanets, and the James Webb Telescope is giving us the power to study their atmospheres in detail. Somewhere out there could be a world with oceans, clouds, and maybe even civilizations looking back at the stars, wondering, just like us, if they are alone. The search for a second Earth is not only about finding a new home. It's about understanding our place in the cosmos. The night sky may look empty, but in reality, it's filled with thousands of other worlds, some of which could be our true neighbors. And perhaps, one day, we'll set foot on one of them.